Russia might escalate aggression against NATO not only in the Baltics, but also in Northern Europe. The US-based Jamestown Foundation highlights rising tensions over Svalbard and Moscow's claims of militarization in the region. The Kremlin accuses Norway of violating the Svalbard Treaty of 1920, which guarantees the archipelago's demilitarized status. Russian Security Council Secretary Nikolai Patrushev claims Oslo is illegally upgrading infrastructure on J. Mayen, so the treaty does not cover the island, and Norway's military presence there is minimal. This raises concerns about Norway's defense capabilities. According to the Military Balance 2024, Norway's armed forces have 25,000 and